Scout, and this is my dog Emma, and we're here to teach you about radical signs and how to simplify them, and how to solve for x. A few things you need to know before I teach you these concepts is how to factor, how to use reverse order of operations, and what a perfect square and a non-perfect square is. Here's the equation. Now it's 4x squared minus 86 and the whole thing squared, right? And it equals 37. So you want to cancel these out because they're opposites. The square root and the radical sign cancel each other out. So you do that on this side and this side, making it so that it's just the equation equals and then 37 times itself. And then use the reverse order of operations to cancel 86 out, so it's plus 86 on both sides. Then you have left over 4x squared equals 1,445. So to get rid of the 4, you have to divide both sides by 4. Now you have x squared equals 363, and to cancel out the squared, you have to put a radical sign, which cancels it out because, again, they're opposites, and then you do that on the other side. And since this is a non-perfect square, that means you just leave it there, and it's x equals 363 squared, and then you can simplify that, which I'll teach you next. Okay, so now you gotta simplify the radical. So what you gotta do is use the factors of 363, which is 3 and 121. There's probably many others, but that's the first one that I thought of. And what's convenient about this one is that it's a prime number and a perfect square. Perfect squares make it so that it's quite simple to figure out, and the prime number can't be simplified anymore, so it kind of just stays that way. And so 121 squared is 11 squared times 11 squared. When you multiply two radicals together that have the same number in the little boxy area, it kind of cancels out the radical sign, so it's just 11. And so the simplified version of 363 squared would be 11 3 squared. Hey, it's me again, and of course my dog, because I have to put her in the conclusion too. And I hope that you learned something about simplifying radical signs and how to solve for x from this tutorial, and see you next time.